Here's how to add variation swatches in WooCommerce so customers see actual color patches instead of clicking through confusing text lists. Go to your WordPress admin dashboard and hit plugins in the left sidebar. Click Add New up top, then search for variation swatches for WooCommerce. You want the one by Emran Ahmed since it has the most downloads and actually works reliably. Hit Install now, then activate once it's done. The plugin adds a new menu item called Get Woo Plugins in your sidebar. Click that. Keep Enable Default Style Sheet checked so your swatches look decent without extra CSS work. The tooltip option shows attribute names when people hover over swatches, which helps but isn't essential. Pick rounded shape or squared shape based on what fits your site better. The important one is convert default dropdowns to button. This actually replaces those dropdown menus. Save your changes. Now you need to create the attributes that customers will see. Go to Products, then Attributes. In the Add New Attribute section, type color for the name and leave slug empty since WordPress fills that in automatically. Set type to color so you get actual color swatches instead of text buttons. Click Add Attribute. Here's where it gets useful. Click Configure Terms next to your color attribute. Add any color term like red, and you can enter the hex code like FF0000 or just use the color picker. Do this for each color you sell, blue, black, whatever you've got. Size works similarly but differently. Go back and create another attribute called size, but set the type to radio instead of color. This gives you clickable buttons rather than color patches. Add your size terms like small, medium, large through configure terms. Now grab a product to test this on. Set the product data dropdown to variable product since simple products can't use variations. Go to the attributes tab and add both color and size by clicking Add Existing. Make sure visible on the product page and use for variations are both checked for each one. For the color attribute, click Select All to choose all your color values. For the size attribute, click Select All to choose all your size values. Then Save Attributes. Switch over to the Variations tab and click Generate Variations. This creates every possible combination automatically, way faster than doing it manually. Use Add Price to set the same price across all variations quickly. Set everything to in stock and save changes. Check your product on the front end and you'll see actual color patches instead of drop-down text. Size shows up as clean buttons you can click. The whole shopping experience feels more visual and immediate.